Hello, this is Paul Izell with REO Auction Academy, and today we're going to talk about wholetailing. Before we dive into that, make sure you click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notified as we have new videos being put out here. So wholetailing as compared to wholesaling, and this has been a tremendous wholetailing last 2 or 3 years, I'd say, especially in 2019 and early 2020. It's still actually a great wholetailing time right now, and we'll see how long that goes moving forward, depending on what goes on with the economy and the real estate market here. But basically, what wholetailing is, you get a property, you have carpet that's messed up, damaged, right? It's running up, doors catch on it. You have paint that's chipping. Um, it's not FHA compliant, right? If you have flooring missing, things like this, windows broken, you're not going to have an FHA compliant property. So in order for you to get this thing to a maximum dollar amount, right, without doing a full scale rehab, let's just say you're going to put $40,000 into a full scale rehab. So you pick something up for 60, you're going to put 40 and you're hoping to sell it for 140, 150, somewhere in that range. Why not just wholetail it, put 5, maybe 7, maybe as much as 10 grand into it and try to sell it for 120, 130, get somebody some equity when they're buying a property here. Maybe even a little bit less. But if you're picking up for 60 grand and you're putting, let's say you put 10 grand into it, you're putting new windows in where that are damaged, right? You're putting new flooring in and you're repainting the place, getting rid of the chip paint, cleaning it up, making it move-in ready. Let's say you spend $10,000, right? So now you're at 70. Say you sell for 110. You still got a great margin on that property, almost as good. The case right now, you can make almost as much money doing some wholetailing as you can in a full-scale fix and flip, sometimes more, just because of the cost of the materials, the cost of labor, and the extra time that you're going to have holding the property as compared to just getting it done, ready, listed in this red hot market where you'll turn it, move it, and make a few dollars and move on to the next deal and have much less sweat equity in it and much less work into that property. That's what we've done. We've done quite a few wholetails this year. Done a few major scale fix and flips as well, but prefer the wholetailing as well as wholesaling. So hopefully this is something that helped you guys. If you have any more questions, definitely click down below and let us know what you have, and we'll try to answer those questions for you. Thanks.